Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make green beans with tomatoes, Greek style. This is a side dish you'll find at many New Jersey diners. It's one of my favorite ways to make fresh green beans. We'll need green beans, washed and both ends trimmed. You could leave them whole, there's no need to cut them up. Yellow onion sliced thin, sliced garlic cloves, diced tomatoes, canned or fresh. These are petite diced canned tomatoes. That's the perfect cut of tomato for this recipe. Chopped flat leaf parsley, chopped oregano leaves. If you don't have fresh herbs, it's fine to substitute dried parsley and oregano. We'll also need salt, sugar, and olive oil, as well as a few pinches of red chili flakes. Heat up a pan and add olive oil. When the oil's hot, add the sliced garlic. Give it a few seconds and the sliced onions go in. You don't want the garlic or onions to have any color. They just need to soften a little. Cook for about 2 minutes. Now add the parsley and oregano. Tomatoes. A little salt, the green beans. Switch to tongs, it's easier to mix the beans. Cook for 5 minutes, and then add a few pinches red chili flakes, little sugar, some water. Mix it well. Cover and cook for 30 minutes. Stirring halfway. After 30 minutes, taste the bean. It should be well cooked. If your beans are really fresh and tender, they'll be done after 30 minutes. These beans will take another 10 minutes. Taste and adjust the salt and sugar. I'll put the cover on and cook for 10 minutes. Give it a taste. The beans are perfect. A nice balance of salt, sugar, and acidity from the tomatoes. Drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil over the top, and it's a satisfying vegetable dish. It looks beautiful, like you spent so much time making it, but as you saw, it was extremely simple. It's pretty enough to serve during a special occasion. Give this a try and let me know how you like it. Click on that bell icon to get notifications when I upload a new video. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.